Have you ever placed a trade that looked perfect, only to watch it hit your stop loss, and then immediately move in the direction you originally predicted? Or maybe you've held on to a winning trade for too long, hoping to make even more profit, only to watch the market reverse and wipe out your gains. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. One of the biggest differences between profitable traders and struggling traders isn't finding the perfect entry. It's knowing where to exit. In today's video, I'll show you how to place your stop loss and take profit correctly so you can protect your trading account, manage risk effectively, and become a more disciplined Forex trader. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand how professional traders decide where to exit a trade and why guessing your stop loss is one of the fastest ways to lose money. Let's get started. Welcome to BuildSmartAfri, where we simplify Forex trading, AI, technology, and online business for beginners. If you're serious about improving your trading skills, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our weekly educational videos.